Good day everyone, you are welcome. I am Peter Emanje Adaviruku. At QGIS Solution, we offer services in installation, training, data acquisition, data integration, and data analysis. Today, I want to show you how to do contour map from XYZ data in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Now we have our XY data, some points, the longitude, the latitude, and the elevations. So from here we want to use it to produce contour map. To do that, let's go to our QGIS. So what to do now is to bring in our data. So one of the data I want to bring in is my study area. I'll navigate to my folder. My study area is this one. Click add, close. So this is my study area. Now I want to bring in my XY data. To do that, you come here, add delimited text layer, click here. Now you navigate to the folder where it is. It's in my desktop, in my tutorial folder, and this is the school points. You click open. Now you make sure that you check this CSV. Then here under geometry, the X field is my longitude, the Y field is my latitude, and this is my data. So you click on add, close. So this is my points data that I want to use to produce the contour map. Now you can quickly double click here and go to symbology. So instead of simple fill, change it to simple line. You can increase the width and click on OK. Yeah, here we go. So now there are some few things we need to do before we can produce contour map from XY data, and one of it is that this XY data, we need to use it to do interpolations. So it's from the result we get in interpolations that we will use to produce the contour map. So to do that, you come to processing toolbox, come to interpolations, and we want to use IDW interpolations. Double click that. Here vector layer is our school points. Then the interpolation attributes, we want to use elevations. Then you click on add. Then you come here under extent, let's use layer extent, and I want to use our study area. You click on OK. Then output raster size, let's put 200. Let's put 200. Then interpolated, then let's save it, save to file. Let's save it in our tutorial folder as IDW. Click on OK, then click on run. So the process has run. Then you can close this. So this is it. However, let's bring it down. So we can see the interpolations, but you know our attention is within our study area. So another thing you can do is that you double click on this interpolated. Here render type, let's use single band pseudo color. Then you can use interpolation method, let's use discrete. You can choose any color here, and instead of continuous, you can use equal interval, 5 classes, and click on OK. So this is our interpolation, but remember that our attention is within our study area. Now what to do now is to clip out our study area from these interpolations. So to do that, you come back to raster, you go to extractions, and you clip raster by mask layer. So what you want to clip is this interpolated, this one, then is here. Then the extent is our study area. All this one optional. Then go down, go down here, click here, save to file, then let's just name it clip. Let's just name it clip and click on save, then you run. So success. You can now close it. So you can now uncheck this, and this is our clip file. So you can bring it down here for you to see it properly. So now you can uncheck the points. So this is our study area. Now what to do is to double click here, go to symbology, then instead of single band gray, single band pseudocode, then let's choose color. Let's choose this color, then mode, let's choose equal interval, then classes, let's say 5 classes. Okay, I think it's okay. Then you say okay. So this is it. However, you can equally choose interpolation method. Let's say discrete instead of linear. Discrete. Okay, so this is it, discrete. Now we want to do remember to subscribe to my channel. What we want to do is to do contour map. So to do the contour map now, we come back here. From this interpolation results is the one we used to do the contour map. To do the contour map, you come back to raster, extractions, contour. So the layer we want to use to do the contour is our clip. Remember this clip, that is our study area. So then the interval, let's just say 10, that is 10 unit interval. Then the attributes, let's just label it elevation. So then you save it, click here, save to file. Let's just label it. Remember, choose here, choose shapefile. Then let's just name it contour. Okay, then I think you are done. Then you click on run. So close. So the process has run. This is our contour map. Then you can now come here and do some double click on the contour, go to here, is this simple line, change the color to, let's say, red. Can increase it. That's under symbology. Then go to label, single label, and the field we want to use to label is our elevation. Okay, so you now click OK. Can see it. This is our contour map from XY data. If you uncheck this, you can see it. This is our contour map. So this is how to do contour map from XY data. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.